1:15ish. 1:17 on the dot. I'll be changing Chunk's life, but this time it's not gonna take 14 months. We're gonna do it in 90 days.
You're probably thinking why?
If you knew you could look better, feel better, and be healthier, and all it took was 90 days, wouldn't you want to change too?
Now, people normally pay me for this information, but I'll give it to you for free.
Volume. Keep those muscles stimulated and hit them twice a week. And if you don't believe me, look at the science. Diet. Be smarter with those food choices and eat more protein. It keeps you fuller for longer. Be consistent. Luckily, Chunks has me. But if you haven't got a KGD on those hard days when you're feeling tired and don't want to go to the gym, never forget why you started. Wow. Look at that handsome man. Now let's get to work.
Yeah.